Hello guys! Good evening! Happy Valentine's! This song is dedicated to all my friends in small, in Facebook, my Instagram, and my Twitter account. Especially my kids. I love you so much. When I think like the world's gone mad and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears on our own. We've been so far. We've soared at the moon, and we counted a million stars. My love is still true. Friends come and gone, some have left me alone, but I've started this waltz before, and they made me blue. All alone in my heart, I know there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you. Count on you to be there. No question in the air. No asking why or when. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind, and you'll fall over me, important to me, my miracle find. If I had to choose one place to spend in the rest of my days, anywhere would do, long as it choose to you. To all my group mates, thanks for everything. Sa Ismail Rafi Fans Club, kay Daddy Idol, God bless po. Count on you to be there. No question in the air. No asking why or when. No looking back. Count on you every time to Get on right back where you are. Just me and you. Now forevermore, as the years roll by, I'm beginning to see that I can count on you. Thank you. Sorry kung hindi perfect, but I try my best. Para sa inyo lahat to. Special to my princess. I love you, Joy. God bless. And see you soon na. For Jay, I love you.